Welcome to the Variant Guard Center training course. In this module, we will review how to build video walls in Guard Center for several use cases. In this module, we will cover Guard Center setup, including detailed video demos of local monitor setup. We will review remote monitor setup and capabilities. We will also review how to add map video, daily video log, and instant alerts into the video wall. To demonstrate the basic setup of the Guard Center video wall, we first need to ensure this VidCenter workstation is properly licensed and activated. We go to the Help menu and select Licensing and Activation. This is where one would go to enter the appropriate serial number and license file provided after purchase. Once entered, the license file shows the features list, which includes the number of Guard Center monitors, as well as maps or other features of Guard Center. The Guard Center interface can be opened in two ways, either via the File menu and select Guard Center Manager, or simply click on the Guard Center icon in the main toolbar. If not licensed, both options will be seen but will be grayed out. In the Guard Center Manager, we may see a list of video walls already created. We'll choose one and click on Edit to see how it is configured. Of course, we can call the video wall anything that makes it easier for the user to identify in the list. Typically, this may be a shift name or specific person or position signifying ownership. Near the top of the setup box is a button called Identify Monitors. When there are multiple monitors plugged into the workstation, clicking here displays a large number on each monitor for about 5 seconds for proper monitor identification. And notice this can be true if we have local or remote monitors configured into the system. Now that we know which monitor is which, we can observe how each display is configured. We'll select a local monitor and make sure to enable the monitor if it is to be part of the video wall. We also can choose to start the wall in full screen mode, and that option is available for each monitor. Next, we configure the video matrix pieces. On the left, we enable Matrix and choose which virtual DVR will be used. Note, from earlier modules, we reviewed how to create virtual DVRs, zones, and tours. Click the drop-down to select. From this selection, the tour, zone, and layout options will be made available. Select as desired. This gives the user the basics to setting up a video wall for display in Guard Center. A video wall is a combination of local monitors and remote monitors configured to efficiently display live video. We can deploy a video wall in any location connected to the network by using remote monitors hosted by Variant S2201 decoders. A few of these examples of installations are reviewed through this course. Each S2201 decoder must be network accessible by all edge VRs, providing video to that location. Before we configure remote monitors using decoders, use Variant S Configurator to set the IP address and subnet of the Variant decoder and verify that the decoder is accessible by all edge VRs. This process is reviewed in other modules within this Guard Center course. Keep in mind, S Configurator is different from Variant Camera Configurator, but both applications come as part of the VidCenter installation. From Guard Center, you can then configure the Edge VR remote monitor setup, supporting up to 8 decoders to receive virtual DVR video tours and zones in a custom layout. Be aware, administrator users of VidCenter, or VVI, can override the Edge VR remote monitor configuration set by the Guard Center. To configure remote monitors, in VidCenter, click the File menu, then Guard Center Manager. Select an existing video wall or create a new one. Select the Remote Monitors tab. From the Choose Virtual DVR list, select a virtual DVR. Click Add New. Select Monitor Enabled to display the portion of the video wall on the remote monitor. In the IP address box, type the IP address of the Variant decoder. In the port box, type the port number to use on the Variant decoder. The default is 5510. From here, we can do one of the following. To view a tour, select Choose Tour, and from the list, select an existing guard tour. To view a zone, select Choose Zone, and from the list, select an existing zone. For the user to choose their own selection of cameras, select Choose Layout for Manual. From the list, select the appropriate layout required. Select Display Time to show the timestamp per monitor. Select Display Camera Labels to show the camera name on each tile. Click OK. Digging a little deeper, we're going to add the options for Maps, Alerts, and Daily Video Log. Back in Guard Center Manager, with a local monitor selected, on the right, we see these options. We can choose what percentage of the monitor will be used for the following popover panels. Daily Video Log, which allows the viewer to quickly compare a reference image to the live video to verify the field of view has not changed. We can activate Facility Maps, which we've reviewed in a separate Maps module. This enables a portion of the monitor to be used to display video from the Maps option in VidCenter. And finally, Instant Alert Video. By configuring the maximum number of cameras displayed in the Alert Video panel, new alerts will pop up in the popover window and old alerts will cycle off the screen. Keep in mind, an ongoing alert list continues to be available back in the Instant Alert pane in VidCenter. We can also choose the amount of time the camera will stay in the alert section. In the Instant Alert Monitor Priority box, we can enter a number for each monitor, designating what priority that particular monitor has. An important note, these settings are only available in local monitors. Decoders or remote monitors do not have the ability to display map video, instant alerts, or control daily video log. Once completed in the configuration, click OK to save. One last item is the Monitor Numbering tab. This allows the users of the Guard Center workstation to organize monitors in a specific order. This helps to provide better understanding and efficiency when planning out and using video walls. Simply select a monitor from the list and move up or down the selected to create the proper order. In this module, we have reviewed Guard Center setup for both local and remote monitors. We've also reviewed how to add map video, daily video log, and instant alerts into a video wall. This module is concluded. Thank you for joining us. Please follow Verint on your favorite